Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 4000-watt RV-ready portable inverter generator with quiet technology stands out as an exceptional choice for campers and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and quiet power source. This generator is ideal for RVs, tailgating, or emergency backup at home, offering versatility without compromising on performance. One of the most notable features is its inverter technology, which provides clean and stable power, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. This is particularly important for campers who rely on gadgets for navigation and entertainment while off-grid. With a peak output of 4,000 watts and a running output of 3,500 watts, it can easily handle essential appliances, such as refrigerators and air conditioners, ensuring a comfortable experience outdoors. The generator operates at a remarkably low noise level, peaking at just 58 decibels, which is quieter than a normal conversation. This quiet operation is a game-changer for camping, allowing you to enjoy nature without the disruptive sounds typically associated with generators. Many users have noted how it allows them to enjoy peaceful evenings around the campfire without the constant hum of machinery. Portability is another strong suit. Weighing in at around 95 pounds, it includes a built-in handle and a compact design, making it easy to transport. The wheels are sturdy and glide smoothly over various terrains, which is particularly useful when maneuvering through campsites. The 3-in-1 monitor displays the wattage usage, hours run, and maintenance reminders, helping users keep track of the generator's performance. Additionally, it features multiple outlets, including two 120V20A household outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and USB ports, catering to a variety of power needs. Overall, the Champion 4000-watt inverter generator impresses with its combination of efficiency, quiet operation, and user-friendly design, making it a top choice for anyone looking to power their adventures without hassle.